Well, if you're anything like me, sometimes I just need a change in a room for a pop of color or a new feel before going into a new season. So here's a couple ways you can add a new mix to your room without breaking the budget. If one of the new colors for the season is one you think you might enjoy but are not totally bought into the idea, just paint a focus wall. It adds a new color to the room and there's no commitment if you don't like it, just paint over that one wall. A quick way is through accent pillows. They add a pop of color as well as design to brighten and cheer up any room. You can also do seasonal pillows if there's a favorite holiday that you want to draw attention on for the decor in your room. Now, if you have wood floors, consider adding a new rug. Rugs are like artwork for your floor and totally change the dynamic of a room. Another key piece is adding an ottoman. Ottomans reflect character, dynamic that brings you into a room. So whether it's the design of the ottoman, the shape, the color, it's just something that totally reflects you in addition to being a functional furniture piece. And lastly, lighting. It's often something that's forgot about when updating a room. So a new lamp or light fixture is a key way to add the frosting on the cupcake, as you would say. Anyway, I hope those are helpful ideas for you. I look forward to seeing below what changes you add to your room. Let's share and learn together.